That's a land spout. That might be a tornado, actually.
What's up, dude? Adios.
I'm going. I'm coming with. Oh my God, this is beautiful.
Hit that fucking gas pedal.
Alright, I gotta. No cussing, I'm filming.
Really? So touching and filming. That's lovely. This French toast. Dude.
That was beautiful. I have that on video.
Oh, dude. Here we go, dude. This is insanity.
Oh my God. All right, we gotta find a north. We need to get a northern route.
Oh.
We need to get a northern route.
Stand by. Right here.
Birch. That was a no.
That's not gonna know what those last arrows.
Dude, that was a fast stop. It's coming towards us, so we can probably just fucking close up here.
Find a storm?
What did you say?
Where can find a storm?
Yeah, right here. Oh my God.
This GoPro footage.
This is insanity. Beautiful Supercell. Dude, That's about to put a tornado down right there. We're very close to tornado time here. Big time wall cloud. Rotating rapidly here. We might get a tornado very soon. Here in western Kansas. Yeah, we're about to get a tornado very shortly if this keeps going like it is. Look at that structure, guys. Beautiful. Unbelievable Supercell. Come on. Gotta get the camera back. I don't know why the camera just came out of focus. There we go. She's funneling.
Funnel.
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 Oh, baby.
There's a funnel. Come on, baby. Do it for me. Let's go. Come on. She's funneled up right there. Come on now. She's gonna recharge and reproduce here